Now, an uncomfortable early morning for prisoners at the St. Albans Correctional Centre in Gqeberha in the Eastern Cape. Officials pounced to remove all items that are not meant to be in the prison. National Commissioner for Correctional Services is Makgoti Tobagale, who joins us now to tell us more about this raid. Commissioner, good morning. Welcome to the South African Morning. What led you to conduct this raid this morning at St. Albans?
This raid was focusing on 3 offenders that we were collecting information about their activities inside our facility for quite some time. But as you know, obviously they were housed in communal cells, so we had to go straight for those cells so we can be able to retrieve the contrabands that we wanted to retrieve and of course charge the offenders. We found cell phones, we found money, because St. Albans is a center that is a facility that is part of the top 10, and we rated it also on the basis of the illicit drug sale that happens in the center. So we also wanted to make it a point that those that are distributing and selling, we also get to them. And that's why we are working with SAPS.
Do you find drugs as well?
Well, we found money. We did not find the drugs. We found the money. We found also the packages.